How to move on from a crush. A crush is one of the few things in life that is both wonderful and agonizing if you can't be together. It can be devastating to learn something you really like about someone won't work out. Moving on can be a difficult process, but it is possible. Trust us, we know. Whether they can't be with you because they aren't available or they just don't feel the same way about you, letting go and moving on can be a difficult process. To help you move on, we've created a guide to getting over a crush. 1. Recognizing an obsession is the first step towards overcoming it. You must acknowledge the existence of your crush before you can get rid of it. Give yourself permission to admit that you have a crush and to feel all the complex feelings that come along with it. 2. Understand that there is no quick remedy for heartbreak. Although it would be fantastic if we could all get over difficult crushes in 2 seconds, that isn't how life actually works. It will be simpler to be gentler on yourself when 3 weeks have passed and you're still daydreaming about being with this person if you acknowledge that it will take time for you to get over your feelings for them. 3. As you let go of the future you envisioned with this person, be kind to yourself. Letting go of the potential future you might have had with this person will sting. Because you feel damaged, it's called a crush, for a reason. When a crush doesn't work out as planned, it's normal to experience some grief. It's not necessary to wear all black, but try to imagine your impossible crush as dying because that's how it truly feels. 4. Support might come from those who care about you. By venting to trusted friends or family members, you may be reminded that many people still care about and support you despite the fact that you can't be with your crush. 5. Recognize that your perception of this individual is not accurate. Limerence, or the overwhelming sense of infatuation you have being around your crush, might cause you to lose track of reason and idealize them. No matter how you feel, remind yourself that no one is perfect, not even your crush, and acknowledge that you are purposefully ignoring their imperfections. 6. Your sense of closure may increase after confessing your feelings. Consider telling your crush you like them if you think they might reciprocate your sentiments and they don't already know how you feel. Maybe they'll feel the same way you do, but even if they don't, at least you'll be prepared and won't be plagued by what if thoughts. 7. Moving on can be aided by acknowledging that you can't be with your crush. It's possible that the person you have a crush on is already involved in another relationship or that you are thousands of miles apart. Perhaps the other person has no idea how you feel because you are unable to express it. 8. You can advance by gaining some distance. Give yourself some breathing room apart from the person you're in love with if you can. Nearness or merely being in the presence of someone who happens to be remotely likable oftentimes results in crushes. The crush might fade on its own if you don't see this individual as regularly. Change will come by time. Look forward into your future. Everything is gonna be okay. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.